fencing rules. Welcome aboard all the sports fanatics. Today we introduce you to an extremely interesting game called fencing. The word fencing comes from the Latin word defensa, which means protection. Fencing is a unique combative sport. Two sword-wielding competitors compete against each other. Each fencer attempts to touch the other with the tip of his sword to score touches, or points. All fencing competitions must follow a few basic rules to ensure not only competitive balance, but also the safety of all participants. Rules. 1. Equipment. Before participating in fencing, you should wear the necessary proper equipment, including a face mask, a fencing jacket, a pair of fencing pants to protect the legs, and a fencing glove that covers the sleeve on the sword arm. 2. Scoring. According to the rules of the U.S. Fencing Association, there is a standardized scoring system. A point is awarded each time a fencer touches his opponent with his weapon. Depending on the manner of competition, bouts may last 5 touches with a time limit of 3 minutes or 15 touches and a time limit of 9 minutes. Target. A fencer is instructed to touch his opponent in an approved target zone of the body to score a point, with the target changing depending on the weapon used. 2. In épée fencing, contacting anywhere on the opponent's body registers as a touch. 3. Saber fencing limits the target zone to the torso, meaning anywhere above the waist. 4. Foil fencing reduces it even further, restricting the target area to the trunk only and removing the arms and head from consideration. Playing area. Fencers compete on a long, narrow strip of material and must remain on the fencing strip at all times. The strip, or piste, is 46 feet long and measure between 5 and roughly 7 feet wide. The strip contains a center line, 2 on-guard lines, roughly 6 feet from the center line, and 2 lines marking the rear limits of the strip, roughly 23 feet from the center line. Penalties. In case a fencer steps beyond the strip's legal side boundary, the official will award 1 meter, or approximately 3 feet of ground, to the opponent on the restart. Stepping beyond the strip's rear limits results in an awarded touch to the opponent. Officials may also award touches to the opponent if a fencer attacks with both hands, if a fencer doesn't obey instructions, or if a fencer displays poor sportsmanship or overly violent behavior. This is it, folks, with the rules for fencing. Make sure you thoroughly internalize them. Share with us your experience and comments down below. If you like the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.